Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to create transparent drop-down navigation menu with the help of CSS and HTML. The navigation menu look like this. Let's start how to create a navigation menu from scratch. Here I am created one HTML and CSS file. In HTML I am going to link the CSS inside the HTML. For that I am using link href equal to my CSS file name is style.css. rel equal to style sheet. In body session, I am adding the unorder list. Inside the unorder list, I am add the list elements. These are my list elements: home, about, what we do, clients, contact, news. Now save it. Go to HTML page. Here you can see the main elements are added. Now we are going to add the submenus to the each main elements. The home don't have the submenus. I am going to add the submenus to the about. Inside the about I am adding the one more another list. Inside the another list I am adding the list elements. Save it and refresh the HTML page. Under about the submenus are added. Same way I need to add the submenus to the what we do menu and contact page. Now I am going to add the submenus to the what we do menu. These are the submenus to the what we do menu. Overview, industries, services, products and research. Finally, I am going to add the submenus under contact menu. Now contact menu having two submenus. Those are map and directions. Now I am going to alignment the code. For that I am using Alt Shift F. The code is aligned. Now save it and again refresh the HTML page. All the submenus are added. Here we need to add the another list. So close the another list. Save it and refresh the HTML page. Now all the submenus added to the about, what we do and contact menus. Let's start the CSS coding. First of all, I am apply the styles to the body tag, entire body. For that I am using body element. First I am adding the background image to the body. For that I am using background image URL. Inside the URL I am going to pass the image name bg.jpg. Now save it and refresh the HTML page. Now the background image added. Background size cover. Now save it and refresh the HTML page again. Now image is added perfectly. Now I will set the background image position. For that I am using background position is center. Also I am add the font family to the entire body. Font family is Arial. Save it and refresh the HTML page. Now the image is added perfectly. Here you can see the element is aligned in center. Now I am going to apply the styles to the another list. For that I am using UL element. I set the margin 0 pixel and padding also I am going to set 0 pixel. Save it and refresh the HTML page. Now all the elements are having the 0 pixel margin and 0 pixel padding. Now I am going to add the list style none. If any styles are applied to the list, all are removed. Refresh. Now I am going to add the styles to the list elements. For that I am using unordered list li. Now I am going to apply the styles to the li tags. For that I am using float colon left. Refresh the HTML page. All the elements are moved to the left side. Width to the elements is 200 pixels and the height is 40 pixels. After that I set the background color to the entire list. I am going to add green color. Save it and refresh the HTML page. Now the background color is added to the list. I am added opacity .8. The opacity is helped to add the transparent list. Save it and refresh the HTML page. Here you can see the transparent, the list is created. After that I am going to increase the line height. For that I am using line height. Line height is 40 pixels. And also increase the font size. Font size is 20 pixels. Save it and refresh the HTML page. The font styles are applied to the list. Now I am going to change this black color to white. For that I am add the color in body tag. Color is white. Save it again, refresh the HTML page. Now the color change it to the white color. Now I am going to apply the style to the anchor tag. Anchor tag is inside the list element. For that here I am using another list element. Inside I am apply the styles to the anchor tag. Here the text decoration is none. After that I am going to apply the color. Color is white color. And display is black. Save it and refresh the HTML page. Now styles are applied. Finally I am adding the over effect. Another list element. Inside the list element anchor tag colon I am using over effect. Inside the over I am set the background color. Background color is black. Another list elements. Again I am adding the another list elements. This is called the submenus. This another list and li related to the main menus. Now I am going to apply the tags to the submenus. For that here I am using display none. Save it and refresh the HTML page. Now you can see all the submenus are hidden. That's why I am adding display none. This is the main menu. Inside the main menu I am apply the display none to the submenus. That's why the submenus are hidden. Another list element colon over, whenever we hover the mouse, then only submenus will be displayed. For that I am going to add unordered list element. Here I am going to display is black. Save it and refresh the HTML page. Here you can see whenever I hover the mouse, the submenus will be displayed. Now we will add all the elements in middle. For that I am going to use text align center. Now save it and refresh again. Now you can see all the elements are added in middle. Margin right, I am going to add 2 pixels. Save it and refresh the HTML page. Now you can see right side separated. I added the 2 pixels of the each element to the right side. In this way we can create the transparent navigation bar with the help of CSS and HTML. I will paste this code in comment section. You can go to the comment section and download the code and try it. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.